Hello, everybody. What I'm going to do today is a cover of this. Well, I haven't thought about which type to do yet. But it's the style of this cover engraving. Then I used 2.0 leather. 2.0 to 2.4 can be engraved. And this is sulfide. The above are some of the patterns I just drew. Then if you are not good at, you can also put it on the printer. Print it. It is also possible to put it on and print it. The next step is to use paper. Duct tape holds us in place. It doesn't need to be fixed below. Fix it later. Now you need to wet that washer first. Then put the pattern above. Print it on our leather. What I'm using here is my sticker pen. If not, you can also use the finished ballpoint pen, or replace it with a water refill. And then when drawing this long straight line, it is because the paper itself is fuller. Then my pen is thinner. So it's very easy to say, pop the piece of paper. Then when drawing a long line, just try to point your head at you. It's written in the opposite direction. That's the level. Would be better. After that moment, after this is done, it is the carving line. What about knife thread? I also said in the previous foundation. It is the foundation of leather carving in the previous video. Anyway, it's where it crosses. The carving knife line cannot be connected to it. That is, you can tilt a small sharp corner on that side. In that case, it will be engraved later. His leather surface is easy to tilt up. Then spin, spin. Carving knife. It's where you can turn. Can be more flexible. Well, it's basically taking some big lines. Just carve it out. What about the order of engraving? Is engraved from above. Which one is engraved first on the outermost layer? Then slowly go down layer by layer. Then this character's words. Okay. The shawl on his head is a little more complicated. It's the lines or something. Everything else is fine. Because this is a more anime character. So his face. In fact, it doesn't need to be portrayed too much. We basically just need to put his outline on. Head is part. Just carve it out with lines for him. Then there is the upper eyeliner of the eyes. Bring it a little bit. Give it a little bit of hierarchy. Basically, you don't need to use too much knife cutting. Because the knife line is easy to go down in a moment. You can't change it if you engrave it. If you are not satisfied, he's just G. Because doing this to G is basically or the transition to the above color, use. Then it ends here. Thank you very much.